What's up, everybody? Back with our next morning video, and today I got my cousin with me. Gauge domain 815. Yeah, 1515. I mean, God, I suck at freaking on this. Like, look, I gotta go add him actually. Like, Coke Bulls, cause I text him on Instagram a lot. Yeah, me and him's gonna be making him a new account next week. So I know y'all can see all of this what I'm doing because this is my best friend. Not exactly. I made a video yesterday, but it wasn't that good. It wasn't yesterday, but let's check out Asimo 3089. Guys, you know the creator of Jailbreak. Well, not Batsimo, no, as a group. Batimo? Yeah. Or BatCC? Asimo 3089. What the heck? No. Oh, I spelled it wrong. I put a space. I'm not supposed to put a space. This is account, right? Don't tell me it's not his account. There we go. Batimo? That's a group. That's a group. Look at all this fancy clothes. Go, Gage. I'm mad. Cause I'm mad. It took my Robux away. Robux away. It said I went to join Roblox. It said we have taken some of your 30 of your Robux away. I don't know. I'm gonna go check. Oh my gosh, how long does it take to load? I'm moving the screen if I could see. I made a video yesterday. Ah, come on. I can't. It's not letting me press it. Let's actually exit out. Exit out again. If y'all see down here at the bottom, I'm recording. Y'all can't see the screen, so I'm doing it. Bring it all the way up. Right there. If you see right here, that's my recording thing. I recorded that. Thanks to Coke Bulls that he helped me. Now let me go check my Robux, because watch this. They took 30 of my Robux away. Oh, I probably was dreaming then. I probably gained 30 Robux. Guys, I think I'm dreaming now. Remember what? You want to mix t-shirt, guys? Alright, let's go. Yeah, guys, I've been telling them, but guys, I'm so mad. My Lumber Tycoon base got deleted. But Gage is the one who's trying to help me, but he got bored at the 4 pieces of wood.
All my money.
All your money.
Yeah.
ALL? ALL?
No, I got 740.
7,000?
Bro.
I had to buy wood. What is it? Wood at Wooders? Who doesn't Wooders call it Wooders? Cause I'm gonna be making me a game called Wooders. You're supposed to get wood and build. What? Bro, when I get older, me and Gage is gonna have like our own mansion. It's gonna call like. No, I'm gonna own it, so. And nobody's gonna pay bills.
Nobody.
Wait, guys. Then we're gonna have workers here, and the workers will like working on YouTube videos, so I edit some of them sometimes, not all. And then they're gonna make some cool Roblox games, and it's gonna be by Stick Squeezy only. And now what are you gonna say? What? Oh yeah, guys. He's talking to someone. Hey guys, I get the. Hey guys, I I get the top floor too. I own the.
No, you know that
And I own all the rooms.
You know that mansion up the line that nobody bought yet?
No.
That, if nobody buys it, we'll be able to buy that.
No.
That's about $7 million.
That place ugly.
But it's a mansion. It's a giant house.
It's an ugly mansion. Like.
Who knows the mansion? We can repay it.
Oh!
Oh gosh.
Oh! What is this? Is that naked?
It says
Join the SKPF today.
this.
Protect. Is it gonna protect us? Hey guys, I'm about to just report the tag. And we'll do this. Please select the category. Bullying, dating, I just do this. Who cares? Report abuse. Guess what? It's reported. Really?
Jake Paul.
Oh my god, Jake Paul joined this group. I don't believe that.
Join this group.
No, Jake Paul joined this group. I don't believe that.
Yeah,
Hey, that's Tofu. Hey, what's up? YouTube Simulator. That's Tofu. And it's your favorite young man, Tofu. Yeah, that's a YouTuber. What the hell else would it be?
That's that dude that oh.
Dab on them haters. Gorilla guys, it's not like, I don't know if it's gonna let me upload. Good, nice. His name is Jailbreak.
My name's Jailbreak.
Cause you better go Failbreak. Oh yeah. Roblox. It's like Snorlax and like a Borlax and make it like a Snorlax and make it like a Snorlax and make it look like a what? Ow.
My Roblox name is New
It's
Cowboy.
Butthead.
New Cowboy, and my profile name is
Butthead.
100,000.
100,000.
I tried to put a million.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
But it didn't work.
Let's go back to t-shirts, guys. You can change your name now. Well, you didn't tell him anyone to pay for it after that one time. We'll try to change it again. New York. Hey, New York City, 1941. I'm gonna make me a shirt. It's my, this is a cool unicorn. No, I already have that.
This is that unicorn.
What should I do? What should I do?
Go up.
No, that's I'm going down. Subscribe logo. Yeah, let's try that out. Probably be at like the top corner, probably. Check. Hit the whip, hit the oh dang it, I forgot to change the name. Can you hear that sexy walk? Leg up, leg down. Hey! I saw somewhere I do that. Subscribe logo, that's all I'm gonna keep. Subscribe logo. There we go. Nope. But I'm like having my phone right here, and because I thought I lost that much Robux yesterday. I was so mad. Configure. Cause you better configure it. Cause if you don't do configure, look, see, configure. So we configure it. Configure, yeah, configure. I said configure. And guys, look, you got the box below. Shut up. You got the box below. For sell this item. As much sell that one for 7 Robux. SUB sub SCI. Wait, no, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 9. So I'm gonna sell it for 9 Robux.
You weird.
Why?
But you have to put the logo on it.
Yeah, I got logo.
Yeah, you have to put the logo on it.
I do have the logo.
No, it's in the non-Robux.
Logo Robux.
No, you have 13.
Weirdo.
You sell for 13.
13, why? Oh, dang it.
Logo.
No, I'm not going back and do that again. No, it's too late. And how much am I recording for? That's my question. Can I move this up? Yeah, like 9 minutes. I can record for 15 minutes.
But then it's going to stop at 15 minutes.
Look, guys, look, Roblox just made that. That's new. They just made that.
I seen the video on your phone.
Oh, you saw that?
They didn't just make it.
Yeah.
Because that video was already in the back of your phone.
No.
Most of already in the back of your phone.
No, they just made that. What about a Roblox jacket?
What is your fault?
Ugh. Yeah, it's because I made more than one video. Look. I can show you when this was made, actually. Right here. On screen. You don't believe me, guys, when this was made. Look, see, right here. Where does it say that? Where is it made at? On my picture here. See?
What?
You don't see that? Bro, I'm gonna have to sell your own items. That's what I really want to do. Every day we live. You can't tell me nothing, because remember, he was broke. Now he's getting broker. Look at my subscribe logo. Subscribe. You better subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I need a white t-shirt on it. I'm gonna have to go back to my inventory. No, it has to only be white. No, because they had a picture on it. I know. Right. White. No, I'm gonna write white. Oh, no. I'm not talking about all this white stuff. White shirt. Bro, Gage, this is not church. I think you're lying to me. Oh dear. I don't think they lie. Clothing. Shirts. White. Oh, I wrote 8. White. Wait. Bro, I legitimately wrote wait. Dang, this is 69 Robux.
Hey, you gotta buy it?
No.
They're all the same shirts, except for the first one.
What if I do a t-shirt? What is that? A t-shirt?
And the
That
first
work?
one's free. White t-shirt.
Hey, I can make a white one. No. Oh God, I guess we can't sell it.
Look. Okay, so they both watching
Good, that's so good, Gage. I like that. I like that. Bro, Gage, look at me. I like having a bra on.
Yeah, sports bra.
Oh, get subscribe, bro. On. What about this?
For the girls.
Don't listen to him, guys. He's being weird, like he always is.
All of your shirts are free.
What's that one?
Except that one, and the one that you had, all of it was.
I need to go get some pants on. What about the wizard pants?
You got shorts on. Good.
Look at these pants. No, these pants. When here, I'm talking about not in real life.
Yeah, shorts. Right there.
Ooh. Can I do that? Hey, stop pushing me off. Hey, why do you look like me, mister? Hey, you're little, I'm bigger. Oh, we're actually the same size, mister. Then compare me to you.
You are me.
Yet tell you they're the same size. Ha, bite him.
But you could do the double thing.
No, he's standing on the other hog's back. Now he's standing on top of his head. Now on his horn. Now I'm standing on top of his head.
You could do the double thing on that. You could just pull to the
The
side.
what?
The double thing.
The double?
Yeah. And it's gonna look like a
Oh,
double.
this?
You gotta grab it from the side. No.
No, wait, it's supposed to be like this. This.
Yeah. Stop.
You can see the dude's eyebrow. Now, there we go, now you can.
Like that. It's the double thing.
Alright, but alright. I like this already. Let me try to get a face.
A face?
Yeah.
Yes. You need to change that face.
We gotta check it. Why don't you check it out? Yeah, I just got my phone. It's weird.
Oh God.
What if I put this one?
But still, the mouth.